you doing? This is Rob. Just welcome back to the Bee Yard. And today we are going to be taking these Nucs. We've got 5 frames in here, ready to go. So basically, the difference between a nuc and a package is a nuc is an established colony. It's a nucleus colony. And this is 5 frames, and that's typically what they are. I've seen them 3 frames, but 5 frames is probably the most common. And then I'll be putting them in the 8 frame box here that I've got. So this is moving them into the regular hive. And like I said, the difference between a nuc and a package is just a box of bees, and you can YouTube it all day long. People moving packages into the hive. I'm a first-year beekeeper. These are all brand new frames, so I wanted to have a little bit better chance of an established colony. So got a little sugar water here I gave them last night when I brought them home. So let's see. Here we go. Alright, they look good. Nobody's the worse for wear when it comes to the drive last night. Super calm bees. Just gotta work that out. They've already got these little bit of propolis built in there. And I'm going to put these frames in exactly how they are in the box. Come on, get out of there. Alright. So just to let you know, since there's 5 frames here, I've got 2 on this side and 1 on this side that are brand new, empty, ready to go. Honestly, did not think that these frames would be stuck in here. This, look at that, just absolutely beautiful. Man, these things are amazing. Drove up, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, it is just loaded. Alright, let's see if we can get a little more room here for them. Excuse me. Excuse me. Alrighty. And then here's the last frame. Now there are a bunch of bees that are clustered up on the inside. There we go. Come on, get in there. And there we go. Just like that, not too bad. Before I bump this, I'm going to take these little frame holders out. And look at this, actually, they've already got comb drawn. And then we will leave this guy right here. There you go. Alrighty, one's moved over, just like that. So when I say the frames are brand new, I mean the frames are brand new. Look, there's hardly anything on here. I did get the double or triple waxed or whatever they are, but the wood's brand new and all that. So going the nuc route is definitely, in my opinion, especially a first year beekeeper, definitely the way to go. Anyway, that's number one, and number two will be the same thing, so let's go.